In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access your Wix account quickly and efficiently. If you're looking to manage your websites, or perhaps just starting to explore what Wix has to offer, grabbing access to your dashboard is the first essential step. Let's dive right in and walk through the process together. First, open your preferred web browser and type in wix.com in the address bar. Hit enter and you'll be taken to the Wix homepage, a bustling hub of creativity with countless tools for building and managing your website. Here, the first thing you'll want to do is locate the Login button. It's conveniently positioned at the top right corner of the page, ensuring you can find it without any trouble. Once you click on Login, you'll have several options available to sign into your account. This versatility is part of Wix's commitment to user-friendly experiences. You can choose the traditional route by entering your email address and the password you set up when you initially created your Wix account. It's always a good idea to keep your login details handy for moments like this. Now, if you're someone who prefers using one account for everything, Wix has got you covered. You can log in using your Google, Facebook, or Apple account by clicking the corresponding button. This method streamlines the process, allowing you to access your Wix account without having to remember yet another password. Moreover, if you're part of a team or business that uses Single Sign-On, or SSO, simply select this option if your account is configured for it. Single Sign-On not only increases security, but also simplifies the login process, which can be a real time saver for collaborative environments. Sometimes, despite our best efforts, passwords get forgotten. Don't worry, Wix has thoughtfully included a "Forgot Your Password" option. If you click on this, it will guide you through resetting your password so you can gain access to your account smoothly and efficiently. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the Wix dashboard. This is your command center, where you can manage all your websites, explore new templates, check your site analytics, or even start a brand new project. Spend a moment familiarizing yourself with the dashboard layout, as this will be your launchpad for all the creativity and control you wish to exert over your personal or business web presence. Thank you for joining me today in this step-by-step guide on logging into your Wix account. Knowing how to efficiently access and manage your Wix dashboard is fundamental to making the most out of the platform's robust features. Keep exploring, and I'll see you in the next video for more on harnessing the power of Wix.